Hey there, welcome to this video on how to gain weight fast. Being underweight can be as difficult as being overweight, especially when it comes to health issues. Gaining weight can be challenging, but with the right approach, it's possible to put on weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing some tips on how to gain weight fast. Tip number 1. Increase calorie intake to gain weight. You need to consume more calories than you burn. Start by increasing your daily calorie intake by at least 500 calories. This can be achieved by eating more frequent and larger meals. Focus on foods that are high in calories and nutrients such as healthy fats, lean protein, and complex carbohydrates. Tip number 2. Eat nutritious foods. While it's essential to consume more calories, it's also important to focus on nutritious foods that provide the body with the necessary nutrients. Opt for foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. These foods will help you gain weight while keeping you healthy. Tip number 3. Resistance training. Resistance training can help you gain weight by building muscle mass. Start with compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week, and gradually increase the weight as your strength improves. Remember, building muscle takes time, so be patient and consistent. Tip number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health, including weight gain. Water helps the body function correctly, including digesting food and absorbing nutrients. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and avoid sugary drinks that can harm your health. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight gain. When you sleep, your body repairs and regenerates. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recover from workouts and daily activities. Conclusion: gaining weight fast requires a combination of healthy eating, resistance training, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Remember, gaining weight is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to a healthier weight and lifestyle. Thanks for watching.